How to fix Claude AI not working. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. Fast open settings. Here, simply click on Wi-Fi and network and make sure your device is connected to cellular data or Wi-Fi completely. Sometimes internet problem may cause some issue. Another thing what you can do is simply open Cloud and try reopening it again and see if it works. Another thing what you can also do is open Google Play Store and search Cloud, and then you'll find Cloud. Make sure you have the latest version, and if there is update, instead of open, update the app. Sometimes not updating the app may also cause some issue. And after you do this, you're good to go. This is how to fix Claude AI not working. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.